Hi everyone, this is class 5 collective nouns. As usual, types of nouns. Let me read out: concrete noun, abstract noun, and countable, uncountable nouns. We have already seen them. Today we are going to see collective nouns. The rest we will be seeing in the future videos. Okay. Now, in linguistic, a collective noun is a collection of things taken as a whole. In linguistic means in languages, the collective noun is a collection of things taken as a whole. Most collection of nouns in everyday speech are not specific to one kind of things. Okay, so in our everyday speech, the collection of nouns are not specific to one kind of things, such as the word group, which can be applied to people or things. Some collective nouns are specific to one kind of thing or animals to identify them in groups. So in some areas, the collective nouns are specific to one kind of thing or animals to identify them. Okay. For example, pride as a term refers to lions and never to dogs and cows. Now coming to the point, what is a collective noun? A collective noun is a word used to represent group of people, animals or things. Okay. So now we are going to see the examples for collective nouns. We are going to see the common collective nouns used for people now. A band of musicians, a board of directors, a choir of singers, a class of students, a crowd of people, a gang of thieves, a pack of thieves, a panel of experts, a team of players, a troupe of dancers. Then comes collective nouns used for animals. An army of ants, a flock of birds, a flock of sheep, a herd of deer, a hive of bees, a litter of puppies, a murder of crows, a pack of hounds, a pack of wolves, a school of fish, a swarm of locusts, a team of horse, a pride of lions. Then comes the collective noun, common collective noun used for things. Okay. Bouquet of flowers, a bunch of flowers, a fleet of ships, a forest of trees, a galaxy of stars, a pack of hearts, cards, a pack of lies, a pair of shoes, a range of mountains, a wad of notes. Then comes versatile collective nouns, a pack of thieves, a pack of wolves, a pack of cards, a pack of lies. Now next question raises, why should I care about collective nouns? Why should I use collective nouns, or why should I bother about or care about collective nouns when I am talking? By far, the most common questions about collective noun is whether to treat them as singular or plural. So the question singular and plural, which one is applicable for collective noun and where it is applicable. So that is the main thing. Okay. In other words, should we write or should you write the group is or the group are? So should I write the group with or the group are? So that is a question that rises in your mind. The answer is both are right. So you should treat the collective noun given in black below, okay, as singular or plural depending on the sense of your sentence. So depending on the sense of your sentence, you can use the singular or plural form of the collective noun. Okay. Now example 1. The shawl was moving north. Shawl means a large number of fish swimming together. Okay. Here the first sentence is in singular. We are talking about one single here. That is singular form. The shawl were darting in all directions. Here shawl is meant as plural because were is used. The plural form is used. In the first sentence, the shawl is considered as one unit. Therefore, shawl is treated as singular. Here it is. Okay. Now, however, the second example, the shawl is considered as a lot of individuals. The shawl is treated as plural. So in the second sentence, the shawl is treated as plural form. Plural. Okay. Example 2. The audience is happy. The audience are all wearing comedy wigs. In the first sentence, audience is singular. In the second sentence, it is plural. Okay. As a general rule, you should treat collective noun as a singular unless you have good reason for treating it as a plural. So whenever you are going to use your collective noun as a plural, then you should have a valuable reason for it. That's very much important. If it feels a little uncomfortable treating a collective noun as a singular or plural, okay. So once again, let me read out. If you feel a little uncomfortable treating a collective noun as a singular or plural, add a term like members of to force a plural form. So to force your collective noun as a plural, then you can use the phrase members of. Okay. The members of. Example. The members of the audience are happy. Second one, the members of the audience are all wearing comedy wigs. There is no longer a decision to make. The phrase member of the audience is plural. Okay. Once you have decided whether your collective noun is singular or plural, stay consistent throughout your sentence. So you have decided that your collective noun is going to be singular or plural. Okay. So in that case, stick to one single, either to singular or to plural. Be consistent. Okay. Example. The group is happy with their performance. Here, the sentence is not technically wrong but scruffy. Okay, scruffy means shabby or untidy. Also, is a singular and there is plural. Second one, the group is happy with its performance. This is the correct sentence. Okay, the sentence is not scruffy, that is much tidier. This is okay. This is a very good sentence. Whereas the previous sentence, the group is happy with their performance. There is in plural form, isn't happy. Is happy. That is a singular. Okay. So this is quite not so very correct. Okay. The sentence here, coming to the second sentence, the sentence is not much scruffy. That is much tidier. Okay, it's a singular and it's also in singular. It's is also singular. You can treat a collective noun as singular or plural depending on the sense of your example. So depending on the sense of your example, you can treat your collective noun as singular or plural. Some collection of collective nouns. A quiver of arrows, a ream of paper, reel of film, a set of clubs, a sheaf of grain, a shower of rain, a stack of wood, a string of pearls, a flight of birds, a crowd of people, an anthology of poems, a horde of savages, a host of angels, a crowd of people, a bench of magistrates, a school of whales, a body of men, a crew of soldiers, a collection of coins, a comb of bananas, a bundle of sticks, a catalogue of prices, a chest of drawers, a nest of mice, a plague of locusts, a cloud of dust, a party of friends, a patrol of police, a post of policemen, a patrol of policemen, a post of policemen, a regiment of soldiers, a staff of employees, a team of players, a troop of scouts, a bunch of crocs, a choir of singers, a class of students, zoo of wild animals, a bale of cotton, a basket of fruits, an outfit of clothes, a swarm of bees, a stud of horses, a line of kings, a library of books, a mob of writers, a company of actors, a class of students, a block of flats, a battery of guns, a hive of bees, a heap of rubbish, a hedge of bushes, a herd of cattle, and so on. Thank you.